Q3 Club, celebrating the shining stars of history. Dear readers, welcome back. If you like to hear directions, please watch the video. How are you? Take 3 breaths. In with the good, out with the bad. And where are you on the compass? Ignite. Remember reading about a famous time in history. Chunk into pieces. In quarter 3, we get to work in groups so we can help each other. You have a chance to help another person with information and encouragement. The groups can be friendship and interest-based. We can start with interest this week. Chew on it. Pick from the list 4 more books that spark your interest. Inside Out and Back Again by Tenha Lai. And click the image for book images and for the text and the option to listen to a read aloud if it helps. Productive struggle is good for improvement. Remember, it is best to try reading the text yourself first. March by Representative John Lewis. Click image for book and images and read aloud. Monster by Walter Dean Myers. The Watsons Go to Birmingham, 1963 by Christopher Paul Curtis. Farnsworth has 2 copies of the audiobook. E-copies of the text are available at the public library. Click this picture of this book title for text and read aloud. Deborah Ellis's Riveting Breadwinner. Search for it on McAfee, Libby, and Cloud Library. Rebound by Kwame Alexander. Search for it on McAfee, Libby, and Cloud Library. I think that is also a picture you can click on. If you want a challenge, New World, Secrets and Spies by Joe Macaulay on ebook MN. A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. Click on the image for the text and the option to listen to it as a read aloud. Also, Night by Eli Wiesel. Click on the image for the text and the option to listen to a read aloud. How to get your book. Click passwords. Click on the picture below to get to libguidessPPS.org. And click here for a Cloud Library information sheet. Review. Please list in the discussion the books that interest you in order of most interesting, first to last. First book is, second book is, third book, fourth book. Blank is the most interesting to me because. In the rubric, I have included 4 books and explained why one is most interesting. 3, I've included 3 books and included why one was most interesting. 2, I've included 2 books and explained why one is most interesting. And 1, I've included 1 book and explaining why it is interesting to me. 0, no attempt made. Please make an attempt. We would love to hear your responses. Thank you, readers. Dr. Stocker.